God. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness. Are you blind? Get your eyes off me! Are you blind? Can't you see? Did you see me standing here?
I just said I'm sorry.
Who cares if you're sorry? Huh? Take the sorry and shove it down your throat. Nonsense.
Oh, you know what? You deserve everything that happened to you. You are a rude and crazy woman.
Hey.
Why the hell are you standing on the damn road? When you see a car passing, get off the damn road. That's what you do.
You are a stupid man.
Oh, Miss Weaver, you are a stupid woman. You are a crazy idiot. Next time, get on the damn road. Get up.
You're a fool.
You deserve everything that happened to you right now.
Rude idiot. Stupid fool. That's what you are. No manners, mannerless, idiotic fool. Now look at my sister.
You know what? Sorry.
You obnoxious, absolute idiot is what you are. Stupid fool. Goodness, Lord gracious. Did you see me? Idiot. Oh my God. Oh goodness. Oh.
I'm just here waiting for us with my uncle and my mom. I'm on
Wow. Here comes a lovely bride. Derek, this is the long-awaited young, beautiful lady that we promised you. Yes. Her name is Fiona. Is this some kind of joke? Mom, please tell me this is not the thing that I came here to see. Of course, Fiona. This is the young man I've been talking to you about. And he's a very nice young man, you know. Oh, God, oh, God.
No, you hold up, okay? Uncle, Mom, Mrs. Maggie, I've been very quiet on this chair waiting, okay? She came late, and this right here, this thing right here is a very rude girl. Since I met her, all she's been doing is blabbing. Blah, 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 blah. That's all you know how to do.
Blabbing. What it means to be rude. You know what, Mom? I refuse to stand here and have a conversation.
No, I refuse to stand here. Okay, I am doing a favor by standing here talking to you.
Favor?
You should appreciate that.
Doing me a favor.
Yes.
Why don't you stand here and talk to yourself?
Okay, no, you didn't just do that. No, excuse me. I am leaving here.
Fiona! Derek! What just happened here?
What just happened? Well, you are all welcomed once again. Derek and Fiona, I think you guys should get off the phone for now. Derek, Fiona, you guys should leave the phone for now and give the elders in the room some attention. Derek, your late father confided in me about an arrangement he made with his business partner, the late Mr. Maggie, which is for the two of you, you and Fiona, to get married, so as to run the business as they left it. And I made him a promise that I was going to see that that happens, which is the reason we are here today.
Uncle, Mom, and Mrs. Maggie, with all due respect, I don't see myself working with with her. Let alone marrying her. I can't even connect it. It doesn't work in my head.
Derek.
I can't marry her.
I cannot marry a douchebag.
Oh, did you just hear that? She's a rude girl. You are as crazy as you look. I cannot marry you. It's the other way around, okay? I cannot marry you.
Enough!
Anyway, we will let the two of you go your separate ways.
Uncle, thank you very much.
On one condition, that you respect the wishes of your late fathers, which is to get married. At least try your hand in this marriage thing. which is why I have made arrangement for you, meaning you and Fiona, to live in my house, to spend 2 weeks in my house in Lekki, Lagos. Hopefully, that will give you the opportunity to know yourselves better. There are 2 conditions, however. 1, visitors are allowed. 2, visitors cannot sleep in that house. And under no circumstances, under no condition, can either of you leave the house, sleep outside of the house.
And after 2 weeks, if the 2 of you still don't get along, we'll let you go your separate ways. If, that's what you really want. Fiona, aren't you going to say something about this?
Well, I mean, I don't know. If it's to respect Dad's wishes, then yeah, let's get it over and done with.
Better. What do you say, Derek?
Uncle, with all due respect, left out for me, I wouldn't even think about being in the same house with this girl. But just to respect late father's wish, I can manage her.
That's fine enough.
Manage me.
Yes.
You manage me.
Yes, I am going to manage you. You know what? You should actually appreciate and thank me for trying to put up with you for 2 weeks.
I refuse to have a conversation with you.
I refuse to have a conversation with you. Okay? I refuse, not you refusing this time.
Derek,
Stop this. We are here for peace.
Oh, you see that? See that? She's whistling because of you. Because of all of you, she's whistling. She's very rude.
That is enough. That is enough. Having said all of this, you guys should get your drinks.
Go on, pick your drinks.
I guess toasting this union is not in order today.
Chill. I really understand how you feel, okay? But I still think you should give the 2 weeks thing a try.
Oh my God.
I mean, that seems to be the only way out. I can't even imagine spending a day's too much. A second with that idiot.
Oh.
And now I have to spend 2 weeks? God. The only thing making me happy is that, you know what? After all this, everything will be over and done. And then we'll have no more crazy gist. But let me just say something. What if this guy is nice, as your mom said? Nice? Yeah. Even if he was the nicest guy on earth, I will not be interested and never be interested in him. Maybe you guys just got off on the wrong foot. We did? I doubt that. I swear, I don't even know how my father came up with such a ridiculous idea. I bet you didn't know his friend's son would turn out to be such a beast. You know. What? It's true. Calm down. You don't know him. Ola. That was so harsh. So tell me, when are you leaving? After tomorrow. So soon. I just hope I don't get to regret this 2 weeks and it's not wasted. Oh. Well, at least I can enjoy the sights and sounds. Wow. I'm gonna miss all. I wish you were coming. Now you're gonna make me feel sad. I'm gonna miss you.
Sorry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is this number 79 Admiral Adeko Avenue?
Yes, ma'am. You must be Miss Fiona.
Oh, yes, I am.
Mr. Derek has been here since morning. No?
Who cares? Huh?
let me help you get your bag.
Okay, thanks.
Sorry, I mean, star, mama.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Yeah, good. Okay, each of my money will take a lot. Take a lot. A lot.
Sir. Miss Fiona is around.
Okay. That concern me.
Trying to mock me or what?
No, trying to more. Okay.
This is not your room. It's Miss Fiona's room. I'm going to get her.
Young man, this is next to imbecile. How can a young man at this age be trying to put an imbecile? He's not even up to 30 yet. Live with this. I have to leave it for mommy water and an imbecile. Same house for 2 weeks.
Yeah, George, could you tidy up?
Oh, okay.
Oh, please, could you just help me bring that so I just need Thank you. Oh yeah, George, could you just help me, like, make sure like the furniture is clean, just while I take a shower? Okay. Thank you. Is everything okay?
Yes.
outfit is this one again? See a small bra size self. Who does that? George!
Mr. Drake, are you going out?
No, I'm not going outside there. I don't know anybody in this town. I just got to town.
Because you're carrying your bag now.
George, I need you to help me with something.
After you have need more, give me. No, you need my help. Give me.
No, I was not mocking you. You understand? I was not mocking you. You understand? I was under immense pressure as a man. You understand? I was under pressure.
Okay. What is it?
It is Fiona. You understand? I mistakenly carried her bra. Mistakenly.
Hey!
No. Use your voice. Mistakenly. I didn't plan it. When I changed my room and I went back to carry my jeans, the bra mistakenly entered my jeans somehow. I don't know.
Okay, no, that is no problem. Just go back and give Miss Fiona her bra now.
No. I need you to help me and give it back to her yourself.
Where is the bra? Mr. Derek, I would have loved to help you, but I was given strict instructions not to interfere in you people's business.
I know. I will. I'll give you 5,000 naira cash.
Mr. Derek, I can even do this thing for you for free, but I can't help you. They told me not to interfere in your business. I can't. Please go and give me Fiona her bra.
George! George!
Coming.
George!
Yes.
George, I know how this might sound, but I left my bra on the bed and I can't find it.
Oh. I don't know where your bra is. But you can check inside your room very well.
Oh, God, George, I have searched everywhere. I can't find it.
Hello.
Huh?
Hi.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. Well, I am sorry. Sorry, I mistakenly took no, your bra mistakenly got into my jeans. You know, it's right here. I know what you're thinking, but
what? Huh? But what? What exactly are you going to say? That what, my bra just found its way into your room? I thought you left the room before I packed in.
Yes, I did. But what really happened is this, I forgot my jeans in your room, so I came back to collect my jeans. And at that point in time, your bra was, I did not see it. I did not see your bra. I was packing my jeans. And somehow mistakenly just got in there.
I am supposed to believe that this is a mistake. Wow. Please tell me, why didn't you take my shorts or take my t-shirt? I mean, why did it have to be my bra? Is that what you're interested in?
Fiona, it was a mistake. Like I said earlier on, I came in to pack my jeans, and your bra got in the way.
And you took my bra too.
But Fiona, why would I want to take your bra? What would I want to do with your bra?
I don't know. You answer the question. Judge, can you answer the question? I do not know what your perverted mind wants to do with my bra.
You're actually very, very senseless. You are even more senseless than I thought you were.
Oh.
So what are you insinuating?
Ooh! I am insinuating that this grown-ass man took my bra, and I hope you're not going to take my panties to sniff on it too. Because I cannot.
You're crazy. You are very.
I am?
You are very, very crazy.
Really?
You are even more crazy than I thought you were crazy. Right? This bra and I have no relationship.
You took my bra! You senseless, nasty, dirty man! And you have the guts to talk? You shut up! I need to charge my phone. Excuse me.
Good morning, Fiona. Did you sleep well?
What do you think?
Oh, well, I'm actually using the socket for now. You might have to be patient or come back later, basically. Yeah, your charger. If I may ask, what happened to the charging spots in your room?
What's the meaning of this? Huh?
I'm just asking.
What does all this mean? What gives you the right? And if you must know, the sockets in my room are not working.
It's general. The one in my room is not working too. But the same person that actually gave you the same right to, take over the parlor yesterday, and you didn't bother asking me why I did not disturb you. Before.
Well, today, you have to wait.
Oh, Fiona. Sorry, excuse me. I don't know why you always have to be unreasonable. I mean, it's this, you get 1% on your phone. It can last you for some.
Derek, is this a joke?
Sorry?
Is this a joke?
Sorry,
huh?
I can't hear you.
You know, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Nonsense, you're just a douche.
Fiona, you can come back in the next 2 hours. I should be done by then. Shapes not. America is calling me.
What's up? What, are you serious? Get out, it's a lie. Are you serious? Oh my god! No, just tell the gate man John to open the door and show you ain't I'm coming. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
It's so good to see you. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I miss you.
Look at you. Why didn't you tell me you were coming? You didn't even say you were coming to Lagos. What are you doing here? Wait, how did you even locate this place?
Fiona,
What?
which one do you want me to answer first?
All of the above.
Okay, I came for a conference and I decided to breeze in to see my best friend. And besides, I just gave the cabman the address you gave me before you left, and he brought me here safely.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see you. Oh, it's so good to see you, though. You're spending the night, right?
No, have you forgotten the rules?
Oh, yeah. That. Anyway, you're staying for the evening, right?
Yes, darling, but I'll be staying on the mainland in one of the hotels they reserved for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take that.
Yes. So, how's your boyfriend?
Chris?
Oh my god, he's fabulous! I spoke with him yesterday. I'm not talking about Chris. And besides, I've told you to forget about that guy. He doesn't deserve you. Anyways, I'm talking about Derek.
Sorry?
Derek.
Are you for real? Is that some kind of joke? What's wrong? God forbid! God forbid that nitwit be my boyfriend. Are you serious?
Fiona!
What? Excuse you.
Oh my god.
Anyway, listen. I have gist for you.
Oh. I can't wait. So that's his room we just passed before getting to your place.
Yeah, that's the Jack's room. But, well, before I give you the gist, let me go and freshen up, and then I can show you around.
Wait,
And
so
then
I
I'll
want
give
to
you...
change into something else.
Yeah, check the wardrobe.
Alright then.
Yay! Hey,
Yes, darling.
you came with my conference. You know you're a soft man. I don't trust you.
You're not serious.
You have to tell me which boyfriend you came with to see this time.
A lot.
How's something?
Very fine, my dear. How's your mom? Have you heard from her?
Still how she is. Trouble one day, another trouble the next day. It's like, oh my God, Mom!
I understand.
I've been so bored. It's like,
I can imagine. I missed you.
I know, right?
Wow.
You know, we should do something fun before you go like in the evening.
Like hanging out, right?
You always hang out, dog.
Definitely.
Yes. Oh, no. Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
I'm Ola. Piano's friend.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
Can you just help me plug this phone in your room?
Your phone. The thing is that I just have one socket in the room, and it's not working at the moment. I actually do charge my my phone and hello.
Please, can you just show me the place?
It's just yeah, sure. Why not?
So, yeah, am I gonna...
Yeah, I can handle this for you right now.
Okay.
So, yes. Yeah, I wish the one in my room was working, so I mean, it's,
I understand.
it's the way the whole house is. It's charging now. Charging. So yeah, your phone is charging now, okay? I'm sorry, my charger wasn't working in the room, so I have to bring it here.
No problem.
It'll be more comfortable for you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
So, can you also help me with TV?
TV.
Yeah.
Okay, I got. Oh, it's a smart TV. It takes time to boot. Okay, I'm sure you want to watch African Magic. One of those.
154.
154.
Yeah.
Okay. You are good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So, I'm smiling.
Why?
Your body looks fit and thin, you know?
Well, I work out. You know,
Oh, really?
keep it fit 100% all the time. Yeah.
You know, I love it when a man is sexy and
So you like
cute.
you like people that work out. Oh, you know you need to be careful around the nipple. Sensitive.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ola, I have been waiting for you in the room.
Oh, sorry, dear. We're just getting to know Derek.
It's nothing to do.
Yeah. Let me just spend some time with my friend. Okay.
Ooh, don't touch the nipple, sensitive. Alright, so when you're done, in my room or parlor, wherever you want me to be.
Ola!
Alright.
I just don't get it. I don't get it. I really honestly don't understand how you can be just so comfortable with that thing in just a few minutes.
Wow. Like, seriously, we just got a connection. And
A
I think
connection?
he likes me.
Wow. Really? You think he likes you? So now that you think he likes you, please enlighten me. Who's going to be your friend? Me or him?
Hey, slow down. Why are you sounding so angry?
Why would I be angry? Give me one good reason why you think I won't be angry. I come out here looking for you, and then I find you there sitting down with that crazy, idiotic, annoying, I don't even know what to
I'm
talk
sorry.
next with. And you're not even thinking about what he will think about me.
You said you don't like him. And I thought hating on him won't be nice.
Oh, yeah. Mrs. Goody Two Shoes. I just said hating him too won't be nice. It won't be nice. So now he likes you.
Phew.
What?
You're sounding jealous, so I hope
Me?
it's not what I'm thinking.
Jealous. What would I be jealous of? Of what? Of whom? Of who? Give me one reason why you think that I would be jealous.
Because he's super sexy.
You know, that is the most disappointing thing that you could ever open your mouth and even say. That you would even think that he's sexy. What's sexy in that body?
Fiona, calm down now. What is wrong? What is all
Calm
this?
down for what?
What is wrong with you?
What is not wrong with me? Huh?
But you shouldn't care about that since you have nothing on him. In fact, you're making me angry. Oh, what's all this now? I'll just pack my things and leave here.
Please, by all means, pack your things and leave. And since he likes you so much, why don't you just go outside and chill with him since he likes you so much? Excuse me.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you came back like you said you will.
Yeah, I did.
I just noticed your smile. You have this very nice presentation. Smile good.
Thank you. So what are you cooking?
Rice with some butter in it, trying to make it like Spanish rice kind of thing. Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. Now see for myself. All the juices.
Oh.
Fiona thinks about the sexy nature.
What are you talking about? When did I ever have a conversation like that with you? What kind of rubbish is that?
Oh,
Are you crazy?
no. I forgot. It was supposed to be a secret.
Would you shut up? What secret? I don't get it. What have I ever done to you? Why would you lie against me?
Sorry. For the records, just so you know, I prefer you to her. Okay? So think about it and please help me check my boarding rights so he doesn't get burnt. Alright? See you, right? I'll be my room.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean anything.
Just shut up. Just shut your mouth up. Listen, I don't want to hear anything from you. All I need you to do is just go into that room, get your things, and get out. Because either you go or you go to your new boyfriend's room and stay. Listen, don't mess with me, Ola. I'm very serious.
At least allow me to cook our noodles, please.
Did you see the raging rat that has been
The raging rat.
meandering around the house?
Oh, no, calling your name. The rat!
I know, it's a big one. I'm trying to.
Oh, did you catch it? No.
Nice talk.
Yeah, thank you. Listen, the next time you decide that you want to watch free porn, the least you can do is ask a lady nicely. Not stand here looking for raging rats like a delusional teenager, okay?
It's not about.
Oh, shush. Hey.
I was watching the TV.
Did you take any drink from the fridge? I asked you a question.
Well, I thought your friend was the one that brought the drink yesterday.
So what? Did you buy any drink? Did you put any drink in the fridge? Or what, the drink now looks like my bra, right?
You know, it's funny how you bring this bra issue up, because if I was going for bra, because for the big size bra, your bra is on the small size.
Somehow the small size bra.
Your friend's number. She has the bigger size. How about that? Sexy, pretty looking girl.
You're such a stupid idiot. Sometimes I honestly wonder what goes on in this coconut head of yours. I am asking you a question, a logical question, and you are sitting down there asking me silly questions like a proper fool that you are.
That's it. Sorry, just want to ask with all humility. Are you depressed?
Who wouldn't be depressed staying in a house with you for 2 weeks?
Because I'm really beginning to question your financial status. Because if your financial status was okay, you won't be arguing over a drink.
Oh, really?
A drink. You'll be wasting your drink on a drink. Let me tell you something, okay? You are in my uncle's house. My uncle's house. Which means you get free food and free drink for 2 weeks.
Oh,
so enjoy it while it lasts.
Why don't we talk about your own house and not your own?
What? As I was saying, you have my uncle's house. You enjoy everything free. So enjoy it. Because I will kick you out.
Kick me out.
I will kick you out. Tell her.
That I'm in this house. You know what? I don't need to have this conversation with you. Because clearly you are a mannerless dude.
All right, you're beginning to make me act like a psycho that I am not. I will not.
Where done, Mr. and Miss Tom and Jerry. I was hearing your voice from my apartment, so I came here to find out if both of you are still
Talk faster, my friend.
Mr. Derek.
Mr. Derek, yes. You know what? It's funny how you actually came in at the right time. Thank you very much, Mr. George. I will give you 3,000 naira. Not for you. I want to use that money. Go to the supermarket and go and buy a carton of drink.
You are an idiot. You are a stupid idiot.
You need a refill. I will give you a carton of drink so that you can get a refill.
If you take that money
George,
and buy
I will give you money to go and buy drink for her. And you will buy the drink for her. Okay? Okay, you know what? I will send the drink to your room.
I feel like I was in Hellfire's reception with the devil's agent. God have mercy. No. Thanks a lot. You know, it was such a relief when you called me. I was utterly shocked when you told me you were coming to Lagos.
It's okay. Thanks to my dad that made me come to Lagos for some sort of supervision. But bro, it's not yet bad. Like, seriously, you said you guys don't cook together?
That girl is terrible. That girl is terrible. She is bad news. She is terrible in every rhetorical definition of it. Terrible. I'm supposed to keep bad English. She is terrible. Look, I wonder how my mother and my uncle think that I can actually marry a girl like that. It's impossible. I cannot. I can't. No. She has nothing to offer. I can't even say, okay, there's anything to marry that girl. Nothing to marry. Physically, nothing. Just one small nipple hiding under her bra.
Terry, you're funny.
So, bro, how long are you in Lagos for, though?
I'm just going to be 2 weeks in Lagos. Yeah, just 2 weeks. I will take off. But seriously, I think that girl is your perfect match.
God forbid. Never. Not that girl. No, not that girl. It's not possible.
Well, anyway, if you say so. But what really do you miss in her?
Missing her?
Like, what really do you miss about her?
I don't miss anything about her. Well, you're asking me what I miss about every other thing. I miss a lot of things, but not her. Definitely.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think I'll have to stop by her house and see her. Maybe I really want to see who this notorious chick is.
Bro, please, you can knock yourself out, yeah? Go and see her and spend as much time as possible with her. But you're going alone. I'm not on that one with you.
No problem.
All right, I think this is the supermarket. Yes.
Yeah, this is the supermarket,
yeah. So, bro, you know the address now?
Yeah, sure.
Yourself out.
I do.
I have to
One
go.
love, bro.
Yeah, so I'll keep you in touch.
All right,
Yeah?
cool,
All right,
cool.
thanks, yeah? Appreciate it.
I'll get you posted.
All right, bro.
Life na season film, na dead, no let us finish am. Life na YOLO, you no get part 2. Life na beach, yes, na me draw a tattoo.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait. Yeah. Hi.
My name is Emeka. Okay. Yeah, Derek's friend.
Oh, sorry. This is not his room, so.
I know. I was with him. I actually didn't come to see him. I came to see you.
To see me?
Yeah.
About?
But calm down. It's not like something is wrong.
Okay. Yeah. Well, hang on a second. Let me change into something appropriate.
Thank you.
You can come in now.
Thank you.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Actually, Derek wants me to help him apologize to you with this.
Huh?
Yeah. He said he can face you. And he's not sure if you would grant him permission.
Really?
Please just forgive him.
So what, he wasn't going to apologize if you weren't his friend?
I'm already his friend. And he says because of the level of affection he has for you, he's always heartbroken anytime you reject him.
He really said that?
Please, just forgive him. Understand the fact that he loves you. And please accept this gift. He figured out also that you like pink. So that was why he gave you this.
Okay.
And he's actually...
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I just wanted to say thanks for the gift.
What gift?
I mean, I appreciate it, but you could have just walked to my room to apologize yourself. When you know you like me that much, why do you always make us disagree all the time?
Like you. I'm sorry, but I still don't understand what you're saying.
Are you talking about this?
This?
Yeah.
When and how?
The gift you sent to apologize for your actions yesterday?
Ooh! Whoa! Okay, this must be the joke of the millennium. Is this your cheap way of trying to blackmail me to tender an apology? Because I mean, it's not working.
Huh? Wait. Hang on a second. Because I don't get this. What do you mean?
Why do you always like pretending? Why can't you just be yourself for once?
Okay, yeah. That's it. That's it. You see, I have been trying to wrap my fingers around this. You know, every night I lie down on that bed and I sleep and I think, what is wrong with this girl? You know, I've been thinking about it and it's just...
Really?
It just clicked. Yes. Sweetie, you have bipolar. Yes, it's a psychological disorder. But trust me, it's not your fault, okay? And it does has a cure, okay? So nothing to worry about. And another thing again is Sweetie, I think you like me. I think you have interest in me. You want me to like you so much. But you know what? Let me think about it for a minute and see if I... No, hold on. It's still loading. No. It's not working. No. I don't like you. I don't like you like that, okay? No offense, but I don't like you like that.
I have got to be dreaming. This has got to be a dream. Didn't you send your friend America to me?
Okay, serious. I still don't understand what you were saying.
You know what? I cannot do this. I can't.
You know what? Little advice, you need the rest and you need Jesus in your life. Jesus in your life. Yeah. And yes, you need Jesus, okay? Jehovah El Shaddai, Father of Fedrak, Shidak, and Abednego, I pray over this food that was brought to me by Fiona Maggie. Father, whatever substance that has been put inside this food, be it love potion, be it cognomio, be it juju, whatever it is, even poison, be it from the marine spirit or from satellite spirit, I rebuke it, I cast it, I divinely remove it and throw it away. Amen.
Oh my God, look at you. You're looking good.
Thank you. But, girl, I'm still wondering how you found this place in this area. You're becoming a suspect.
Babes, I am Ola International. Now what for you? Have you forgotten the way we used to roll back in the States? There is no place Ola doesn't know.
No, tell me about it.
Anyway, one of my manga lives here.
Oh, okay. So, what? Did you come here to see him? Because I'm still wondering why you didn't come to the house.
Babe, I was supposed to come, but I was with him.
Okay.
Yeah, he just left not quite long. And I decided to use the opportunity to see my pretty friend.
Yeah, right. Anyway, fair enough.
So, how is Derek?
You know what? I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Is that why you called me here? To ask me for Derek? Why didn't you come to the house and check up on him yourself?
That's true. Please, can you give me his number?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Huh? Do I look like I have Derek's number? Yeah. Do I look like I want Derek's number? Yeah. Huh? What?
The way you attack me about this guy, I don't really understand. I'm suspecting something is going on.
Oh, gosh. Listen, Ola, I just need you to just stop it, please. Because you're beginning to annoy me.
I was only joking. Look at your face. Just look at your face. You look like my grandma.
Shut up. Like, seriously, stop.
So tell me, how's everything?
It's fine. God, I'm bored out of my mind in the house. Oh, that guy. Are
you serious?
I'm serious.
So tell me, do you even cook for him?
Cook? Me.
Nobody got time for that. Fiona, you can never change.
Of course not. George! Oh, goodness. George! Can you see? Oh, my goodness. Oh. George, what's going on? George? Yeah.
I'm sorry, ma. You will not be able to pass the night here.
What? No, I'm gonna have to help you mop it and clean it or something, but I don't get it.
No. The water is too much. It will not dry today. Besides, the tap is broken.
How did this happen? Huh? What the hell am I supposed to do now?
Just calm down. I'll try and fix it first thing in the morning. Right now, I'll try to fix it temporarily.
Oh, goodness.
You need to go and ask Mr. Derek to help you for tonight.
What did you say?
Sorry for the inconveniences.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, my gracious, this is not happening. Oh, God, this is not happening. What do I do to deserve this? Oh, God. Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna have to go sleep.
I went to the kitchen to get some water, and I couldn't hear but noticed he was sleeping in the parlor.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes, you know.
Yeah.
Because malaria. Malaria is sometimes deadly. When they bite you, it's your bloodstream. Anyways, you can come share my room with me if you want. You can have some water. All right? I'll be inside. You can turn up the lights before you come. Fiona, what are you trying to do?
Sleep.
No. You can't do that. Go to the bathroom, and then wash off all these things you got going on. Eye pencil and lipstick. No, you can't. Go and shower now. You know, here in Mania, you cannot sleep on the bed now. You sport like that going on. Go and bath. Stay in the bed with all those and K and I pencil things. Do you want some blanket?
Don't worry. I'm fine.
You're sure you'll be fine?
I said I am fine. Okay. Can I get some blanket?
Can I come in?
Oh, you already barged in?
I just came to say I'm sorry.
For?
I shouldn't have been rude to you yesterday. My bad. But really, I didn't send any gift to you.
It's okay. What is that all?
My family look up to me to uphold the clothing line business. My father used to tell me, he would say, Derek, my son, never ever let a seller intimidate you. Because he needs your money. And if you are the seller, always try to convince the buyer on why he needs your product. I miss him so much. You know, I never really did believe in the ethics of the business. I still don't. As a matter of fact, I remember how scared I was the first time I had to go on a business trip. I was so scared. Because I was scared of failure. I just hope I don't disappoint my dad.
You know, I lost my dad when I was 16. And he was the greatest artist I ever knew. And I inherited that from him. Every time he taught me every single thing I know about coding design. And he would say to me, Fiona, I am going to take you to the best fashion shows in Paris and you are going to meet all the top designers. I was so excited. It's okay. So, now I have to walk all these steps. Because everything loves me. Little did I know that all the materials was coming from you guys.
It's so funny how it's just too long. Good morning. Wake up, rise and shine. Morning.
Morning.
I made coffee for you.
Why are you suddenly being so nice?
I don't know. I just
You know?
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot, but actually, I am not really like a coffee person in the morning. I'll just, go to the kitchen and make myself some tea. Okay? Yeah.
Actually, I made it for myself. I just thought I'd share it with you.
Okay. Wow. Thanks anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just be in my room.
Okay.
Having my coffee.
Oh, yeah, your coffee.
My coffee.
Yeah, your coffee. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. No, don't thank me. You can keep your thank you for yourself, okay? I can thank myself for myself.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Enjoy.
Yes!
Hey. You care for some?
No, thanks. I had some coffee I made for myself earlier on. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you anyways.
Okay.
Yeah. Fiona, I'm just thinking, maybe you need to, tune down. What I'm trying to say is, probably it's kind of loud, the chewing sound.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, what? Sorry.
Thank you. I'll just be in my room. I need to make a phone call.
Okay.
All right. Enjoy your meals.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, George.
Mr. Derek.
How are you?
Mr. Derek, I am fine.
Fine, yeah. I just wanted to appreciate you, cause I noticed that you've been washing my clothes for me all this while, and I'm so sorry I've been rude to you, right? So here, oh yeah, just a little token of my appreciation. You can hold on to that and maybe buy some little Fanta, all these small sweet and chewing gum things, huh? All right, thank you very much, yeah? Yeah.
But Mr. Derek, it is Miss Fiona that has been washing your clothes, so no, not me.
What do you mean by Mrs. Fiona has been washing my clothes for me?
she's the one that has been washing your clothes. That's why I keep wondering why both of you keep quarreling like Tom and Jerry. For your information, see, Miss Fiona really loves you.
Well, are you very sure that you think she likes me?
I didn't say like. I said she loves you.
Loves, yeah. Love. Just to be sure, yeah. Do you also mean that she's been the one washing my underwears?
Mr. Derek, instead of standing here complaining, just go inside, pick a brazier and wash it.
Not be too fast, George. Since you had no hand in the washing of clothes, I take my sorry back, and you can give me back my money.
You started again, no? Because Warog again one.
Okay. I see you've been dancing.
Yeah, I've been dancing for the last 1 hour.
You're very busy.
Yeah. What's up?
Okay, I actually came to talk to you.
Okay.
You know, yeah. I mean, you're obviously busy, so.
No, that's fine. Just give me 30 minutes to freshen up.
Oh, 30 minutes, yeah? Perfect. I mean, 30 minutes you freshen up, I freshen up, and we can. Yeah? So you go out to your dancing, right?
Yeah.
Woo! All right.
I know, right?
Give it up, girl.
Yeah. 30 minutes. Yeah, so you said you wanted to talk to me.
Oh, yes. I want to talk to you. Yeah. Are you comfortable?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
On a pillow?
No, it's okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, nice moves you had down there.
Oh, wow.
Dancing moves and everything.
Exercise and all.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
I don't know how to start, actually, but okay, I'll just hit the nail on
please
the
do.
head.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, have you been washing my clothes for me?
Oh, I mean, I just take all the clothes that I see in the dirty washing basket and I wash them. I didn't know there was going to be any issues though.
No, not at all. I mean, I'm not complaining.
Oh.
Trust me. As a matter of fact, the thing is, all this while I thought George has been the one washing my clothes, and all of a sudden, voila, out of the blue, he tells me that you have been the one washing my clothes for me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay.
Okay.
And the funny thing is to think that I missed our quarrels, our fights, and all of that. You were doing this one special thing for me.
Oh, hold up. Please. I'm sorry, but you're welcome. But ain't nothing special in it. I'll do it for anybody, so hey. Besides, the stench that comes out from the washing basket when your clothes are in it, ooh, yuck. But it's all good. Okay?
Yeah,
That all?
thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, just a piece of advice. Maybe you need to change your deodorant because, ooh, sigh, your clothes stink.
Thank you for that. Hello, Mrs. Maggie. How are you?
Derek, how you doing?
Mama.
Good to see you.
Nice seeing you again. You look good.
Fiona.
How you look good.
Uncle Derek.
Welcome.
How
You
are
lost
you,
some weight.
Fiona?
Oh, well. You eating too much food.
I hope you've been a good girl. Yes. You guys look good.
Oh yeah. Mama. You're good, right? I miss you. Uncle. Well, I'm doing my best.
So how are you two doing?
Fine.
Well, I can speak for myself. I am. Give or take, I'm fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how are you enjoying your vacation and the apartment?
Fine.
Good. Now about this 2 weeks vacation. I want to hear from the both of you what you think of yourselves. We'll start with the woman of the house. But first, can you get us some cola?
Yeah, please, some cold water when you're coming, okay? Very chilled. Thank you.
Have a look what's in the fridge.
Fiona, haven't you been cooking a decent meal?
Oh.
I hope you have not been starving this fine young man.
Mom, it's not my responsibility to cook for him. He's not my husband. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Mom.
Well, thank God you all are here to witness this act of rudeness and the fact that a woman cannot care for a man she is planning to marry. You say, I can't even consider it. I can't even conceive the idea of marrying a woman that doesn't show care.
What exactly are you talking about, please? Didn't I cook for you the other day? That you used your tongue to clean the whole pot.
So it's not bragging rights that you cooked food just once in this house.
So what?
Once.
Uh-huh.
Derek.
Bravo.
Derek, if you wanted her to cook for you, why didn't you buy some food stuff into the house?
If she showed a little bit of care and concern, I would have done that. But no, she hasn't shown any bit of care. She hasn't shown that she cares. Maybe she cares for other people outside, which I still doubt because this is who she is, a rude girl. Mama,
me rude?
If you ask me, I think we should just call this whole
Me
2 weeks
rude?
thing
What exactly do you mean by rude? Mom, what? Because I asked you to beef up your hygiene, right?
Fiona.
I thought I was only doing him a favor.
Can you see what's going on here? You see, I think what she needs is special care. She needs to visit a special facility. You know, when someone doesn't know she's rude, it means that she hasn't identified a problem, which is a mental problem she needs to address. She's a rude girl. She's a rude girl.
So this is how the two of you have been living together for the past 9 days?
Fiona, can't you just live in peace with this young man just for 1 week? Just 1 week. You guys should say something. Oh, God.
Well, Mom, if you're asking me, honestly speaking, for peace to reign in this environment and every other place, let's just go back. You know, let's call this whole 2 weeks thing off and let us just go back our separate ways. You know, let's go our separate ways.
Thank you, God! That is the best thing he has said that we have in common.
Mama, Fiona, darling, we have nothing in common. There is no common between you and I. The only common thing here is my common sense. So allow me to stay in my common sense, in my common space. Okay?
Derek!
Handle your common, let me handle my common. Okay? You don't need to reiterate. They understand very well what I'm saying. So do not reiterate for them.
Derek!
Reiterating will be talking to an idiot.
Fiona, I cannot marry you.
I
will not marry you, okay? So stop making me too mad. I don't marry you. It's my boss. I will not marry you.
Do you guys realize we are here?
Sorry.
This is not happening.
Sorry.
Enough.
want to marry you.
We have heard you both, and it is quite obvious that you two people cannot even give yourselves the decent opportunity
You're right, Uncle.
to like each other. We'll send a taxi to come pick you up to go to the airport. Your flight is by 4 p.m.
4 p.m.?
On that day. Yes, 4 p.m. Is that too early?
No, it's too late.
Uncle, please, I beg you in Jesus' name. I beg you with everything gracious. All I ask for is, can I get an earlier flight on a different plane heading back to my different location from this different person? So she can be in her different world while I'm in my different world. That's what I'm asking for. Is it too much to ask for?
Derek, couldn't you just do this for your dad? For your dad, Dad.
I am sorry to disappoint you guys, but we can't change this system. You two will just have to be patient till that day. Thank you. And where is this George guy?
For him, it's too late. This is too disappointing. So the memories of your late dad mean nothing to does not count.
John! John!
Sir. Are you going?
John, what is this? What happened? What you told us and what happened in there are two totally different things. They're even worse than when they first came.
Sir, I don't know what to say actually. Actually, I've been monitoring them right from the first day they got into this house. And I think from the second week, they started getting along. Even the day I flooded Miss Fiona's room. She ended up spending the night in Derek's room.
Really?
Yes, and when I got into the apartment later in the day to later that night to check up on them, they were fast asleep and they were cuddled to each other. Yes, so I think they're getting on along fine. You just probably need to give them a little more time.
All right then, continue the good work.
Thank you, sir.
Get me Mrs. Maggie. She's wasting my time.
Oh.
Okay.
Take it in.
Take it in. Used to have, right?
Yeah. And you leave.
Get released.
Let me show you. You're not doing it right. Like that. You know, stretch is called stretch.
No, you don't put the on my face.
Exercise.
Okay.
Exercising, right?
Exercise, just exercise.
So you can build the muscle and the.
But no, but you don't have, to.
Yeah. So here we go. You go. Up, like this. Clean. Everything, all that you have.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right. Yeah.
Good
Good
workout.
right?
Yeah.
All right.
I just
You understood the next position?
No. We're good.
All right.
Oh, I
Yeah,
feel
the next one is supposed to bend down.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll... Later, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right. Woo!
What happened here?
What happened where?
What happened to the water I was boiling?
Didn't you see that the gas is almost finished and I'm boiling water? Why can't you just wait for my water to boil? What's wrong with you?
I don't get this. So you turned off my burner without my consent because you are boiling water?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is wrong with you? Don't you have manners? Why are you so empty?
You are the empty vessel. You are the empty vessel, making a hell lot of noise because of boiling water. Listen, you either wait for my water to boil or you could go to hell.
Turn off my burner again, and I am sorry for what I will do to you in advance. Even your ancestors in your village would attest to the fact that I would really deal with you. Try it and see.
Absolutely nothing that you can do. You understand?
You turned off my burner.
Yes, I did.
No. How do you fall so deeply and madly in love with me like this that you have lost control of yourself?
Who? Me? Oh my goodness, darling, you are nothing but an ant compared to my boyfriend. You think I don't know all this is a plan of yours? Well, news flash. It's not gonna work because I'm onto you, okay?
You are trying to quench fire by adding burning agents. I hope you know that.
Really?
And I hope you can handle what comes from it. Okay? I'll leave you. I'll leave the kitchen and everything here. But one little advice before I go. Before you engage in an argument with me, brush your mouth. Use your toothpaste and your brush, okay? You can have this too, idiots.
Silence is the best answer for a fool. Hi. Are you looking for someone?
Yes. So this is the place.
The place. Place for?
Cool decor. Oh, so you never wanted me to know?
I don't...
So tell me, what is it for you in all of this?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You just go ahead and answer me, okay? I don't want to lose my temper here.
Lose your temper. Is something wrong? Do you know me from anywhere?
Maybe you want me to...
I didn't use that. I didn't use those ones in him, but reserve them for next time.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you don't look too bad. You can take out your handsome there, so it's okay.
Did you just say I'm handsome? Wait, seriously, David Beckham kind of handsome.
You know what?
That's what we're talking
That's
about
my
now.
cue to go.
No. I was talking about
No, seriously, I need to
Diesel handsome. What kind of handsomeness are you talking about?
I need to go. Oh, my head is. Where is my? Oh.
You know, you remind me so much of my ex.
What?
I'm sorry, I'm bringing up my ex. You know, that's history classes. But you guys share lots of similarities in character and.
Okay. Wow.
And it was one of the best relationships I ever had in my life. She was so connected. It was like heaven on earth. I felt so safe with her, you know. All of a sudden, it just went.
Hi, well, what happened?
Well, I found out she was AS and I am AS, so it just couldn't happen.
Sorry.
But that's history, though.
Sorry to hear about that.
It's
Fine, right?
Yeah.
I guess who's hungry?
Who's the cookies?
Oh my god.
The cookies, the chef.
Really?
Yes, I made something wonderful. Lovely.
Let me see.
Noodles.
Kingdom.
They're all spiced up very well. Sorry, I couldn't get sausage, but 2 eggs. You know, ladies like eggs.
I don't know about that,
2
but
big eggs. Massive eggs. But the eggs are for you.
No, you have one, I'm sure.
No.
I'm sure guys eat eggs too.
No. Eggs are ladies' things.
Let's see what this tastes like.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mate.
Me.
Yeah, I'm blending first. Lovely food. I mean, help you with that, right?
What? Did you put the spice?
I'm just, tasting. It's nice.
Oh, it's nice.
You love it?
I love it.
I knew you would love it.
Yeah.
Beautiful meal. There you go.
I go?
Ooh.
Really? Ooh.
There you go. Take it in. You love it, right? Beautiful meal.
Put the spice.
I don't support this one.
What's going on here? How are you guys?
Oh, wow.
Are you guys not ready yet? There's a cab waiting outside for you.
Actually, is it 4 p.m. yet?
It's 4?
Yeah.
We totally forgot. Sorry
last
about
time-
that. Sorry about that.
We came here. You guys had issues with time. So we thought we would come in earlier.
Oh, yeah. But we haven't taken a shower yet. And we were just...
What we are trying to say is that we are trying to just thinking if we can, extend the vacation a little bit
Yeah.
more. Yeah.
Are you guys joking?
No.
Joking? Joke with things like this. Come on, we don't joke.
Wow. Wow. This is interesting.
Can we make this official?
I wasn't expecting you. You didn't call me. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Well, telling you wasn't a plan for today.
Wasn't the...
It wasn't a plan for today.
I don't understand. What do you mean? What?
Meaning, it was supposed to be a surprise.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
I am so happy it was successful. Hola, yeah. I didn't know you knew Emeka.
Surprised myself.
Yes. I knew him from this 2 weeks together.
Quite a small world, you know.
Ooh, you!
Wow, yes. Actually, he called me in and said I should, help facilitate on his own side of the game. I'm sorry, okay? But I celebrate you.
So that was a free punch, right? Okay, all right. Okay.
Wow!
No feelings.
Yes, it all started like this.
Yeah, Ola and the Emeka, we want to thank you for honoring our invitation. And just as we have briefed you, we actually want you to help us bring Derek and Fiona together because their union is very important to our families.
Yes, it is. What do you say, Ola and Emeka? Will you help us?
I have a plan.
Okay, let's hear it.
I will go in as a distraction to make her believe I have interest on Derek. That will stir her jealousy. Because I noticed something from our conversations that she has feelings for him without her knowledge. And she's fighting it.
Oh. That's a very clever idea. And Emeka, what do you have to say to that?
If what Ola said is right, then I don't think my work will be difficult at this time. Because I know she will be craving for acceptance. Then this is where I'll step in and I'll be sending her gifts on behalf of Derek. Then I'll equally make her believe that the gifts are coming from Derek through me.
Brilliant.
That's a brilliant one. It's a brilliant one.
I'm very hopeful that this is going to work and we are going to try our best.
Sure we will.
It sounds like a perfect idea. And we really appreciate this kind gesture from both of you.
Thank you. What are friends for?
Yeah, thank you so much. Now that we have all done that, I want to tell you guys that we'll foot your bills, all expenses paid, all the way to Lagos.
Wow!
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Let's toast to Derek and Fiona.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Derek and Fiona.
And the day your room was flooded, Fiona, that was me. That was just to make you sleep in Derek's room.
You don't stammer.
Oh no.
Stop fluently.
No, I don't.
So all this while you've been playing with me.
Acting school paid off. I just did that so you could spend the night in Derek's room.
I am so impressed. You were a fabulous actor.
Yeah.
God have mercy.
You
You do it again. Wonderful actor. You should get an Oscar, you know.
Nice one.
You know, Mom, Mrs. Maggie, you all deserve an Oscar.
I'm telling you,
Awesome.
you
I didn't see that coming. I was expecting.
somewhere.
Love you, Sean.
Sorry for the punch.
It's okay. I'm good now.
All
I'm good now, yeah.
of you? Collectively, you all thought it worked, right? I mean, all your cunningness and your
Sensible diversion.
you
Yeah.
thought it worked, right? Didn't you?
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
Wow. Well, don't you think you guys were like a little bit too obvious?
Yeah, more like they didn't screw with the right screwdriver. Right. Yeah, like when you're trying to screw something, you tighten it up well so you don't leave holes.
Exactly.
Water can still pass through the screw.
Tell me about it,
That's
baby.
crazy now.
What are you guys talking about?
I started suspecting all of you. When you, Mr. Nice Guy, came bearing gifts. That was obviously from my mom.
right? I knew something was up. And the final straw was when the both of you, Mom and Auntie, you showed up here.
Together. Fiona,
Yeah.
in the village where you come from,
Yeah.
didn't they teach you how to knock on people's door before you come into their room?
Listen, I'm not in the mood to have any argument with you.
It's not about an argument.
All I am
but
here
there's a door there for you. For you to knock before you come.
I just need you to sit back and listen. Can you do that?
Talk.
Listen, I have been thinking. Don't you think this is some sort of game that our parents they're trying to play on us? The visits, the pranks, the gifts. Think about it. How would your friend know what to get me if my mother hadn't told him?
And to think that he told you to cook egusi and okazi soup. Because I told him
See?
I was missing it.
Exactly. And then my room mysteriously floods. But the next day, no plumber comes, nothing gets fixed, it's just done. Something is going on.
You know, Fiona, in your whole full life, this is the first time that you are actually being sensible. Using your little brain.
You're the dumb one. I'm smart. I don't know about you.
So what do we do? Do we, meet them, approach them straight up and call this whole thing off?
Heck no. What are you talking about? They want to play a game, we're going to play exactly the same game they want to play what? Are you a chicken? No way.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just wanted to put it out there because I'm honest like that. I need you to remember that this is just a game. Ain't nobody got time for emotions, okay? So put a check on it, a ring on it,
You feel out, catch feelings for me. For you.
All
right, your time is up. You can go back to your room.
A round of applause.
How come we're the only ones clapping now?
You're right. Oh, wow.
We were all clapping earlier, and now it's just you and I. Come on.
Fiona, I know you're mad at me right now. I'm so sorry. I thought all we were doing was for your own good. Your mom, Derek's family, we all want the best for you.
Oh, shut up! Just shut up. If you have nothing decent to say, just shut up. And to think that I trusted you as my friend, and you will do me like this? You know what? This is over. This is over and done with. I don't want to ever see you in my life again.
Same goes for you too.
And you, Mom? You? Oh, there's nothing for you to apologize. Don't apologize to me. Don't say anything to me. I mean, you could have just let us be. Maybe something good would have come out of all this instead of manipulating us and treating us like puppets. What is wrong with you people? Shut up! I'm going to tell you the results of your work. We will tell you. All right? Well, newsflash. It didn't work. None of this worked. So you take me wrong right now. Leave me alone. Excuse me. Fiona. Fiona. Fiona.
Sorry, Mom. Ma, please, how do I get my balance?
African woman no go gree. She go say She go say I be lady.
Please turn down your music, okay?
Sorry, ma'am.
Thank you. Driver, can you please take me to Wuse 2 now? Sorry, just a slight change, of course.
Mama, I will increase your fare.
I'll pay you.
What do you say? But don't talk these things since now.
I said I'll pay you. Sorry.
What side will say to, madam?
When we get there, I'll let you know.
How are you? Yeah, stranger. How are you? Nice seeing you again.
It's good to see you.
So how come you came over? You said
I know what I said, but...
You know what you said. You know what you said. Nice seeing you though.
Nice seeing you too, this...
Just all this, yeah. Woo.
Yeah, this past 1 week has been good. Why didn't you call me?
So this past 1 week, I started feeling things that I probably haven't felt in a very long time. This past 1 week, I sat down so many times with my phone and I tried to call you and I just couldn't find myself dialing the number because I was scared. But I
understand. And
That's why I'm here. I need to talk to you. I just wanted to say very, very big thank you for teaching me how to be open, for teaching me how to trust, for teaching me how to bring down all my defenses. I am truly, truly, truly very grateful for that.
I'm really glad you're saying all of this, because I actually feel the same way, you know. I have not been in love with anyone in a very long time, and I think I'm in love with you, yes. I am in love with you. And since the feeling is mutual, why don't we just start afresh? We can start afresh, we can go back to the beginning and...
I can't. I can't.
Why can't you?
Oh, God. You remember when you said that you couldn't be with your ex-girlfriend because she had AS?
Yes, but what does that have to do with anything?
I'm AS.
That doesn't mean anything. We can.
We can't. You know we can't. Derek. Derek. Is that what you're going to do? You're just not going to say a word? Derek!
What do you want me to say?
Anything!
Anything, like I love you! Like I've fallen in love with you. I have not been in love with any woman in the past. God knows how many years.
I'm sorry.
I begin to fall in love with you. I begin to find a place in my heart to love you.
Oh, God.
And what you do is come here and tell me that we can't be together. Is that what you came here to do?
I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't do anything. I've stayed away from love. I have left everyone that loved me. I turned people down because I was scared of my emotions building up for anybody. But I fell in love with you. I'm in love with you. Can't you see it? I know I love you. And what you do is take my heart and throw it to the damn gutters. Is that what you want to do to me? You're about healthy. Right? How's it right? I don't get at least a farewell kiss. The road. Right?
I went to Hollywood. I got a job.
Yeah. Said I was coming with a new flow. Hip hop is dead, me, I'm trying to find a loophole. All this love I'm getting's feeling so anew though. It's a cold world, so me, I'm chilling up on Pluto. It's cool though, yeah, I'm getting bread, croutons, asking if I blow soon. Say I'm really close, trying to prove myself, realize it was silly though. You're the letter off the A, really though. Successful soon, Barney. Told music come closer, soon on me. Saying everyone is trying to humor me. Intori mo fine, yo, so good morning. Aye, me and Jack spent months in the labo. And
To make sure that you get the copy.